Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you all this week's freebies and wins. I know it's been a little bit of a while, but I have a lot of things to make up for that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these goodies. The first few items that I have here are from Try It Sampling, the product review company. So if you're interested in learning more about them, I'll have one of my videos that describe it in more in detail down below in the description box, as well as any items that you may see in this video that are still available for you to get for free. So let's go ahead and dig into these. The first item it's already been taken out the box because my son and his cousins had a field day with this. But this is from Try It Sampling and from the company Nerf. This is the Nerf Arrival. And as you can see, this is huge. But yeah, it has these soft little pellets, those little yellow pellets there. And you're able to shoot these. My son is 7. So it was kind of hard showing him how to use this gun, but eventually he got the hang of it, him along with his cousins. So I would just recommend for anyone that's interested in getting something like this. I think this is better for maybe, I'll say age 12 and up. Like I said, just because it's a little harder to pull the trigger on this, but once you get the hang of it, it is really, really fun. So the next item that I have here is the Flexi Holes. And you guys can see it's pretty much exactly what it is. It is a water hose for your house. And this is from Web Direct Deals. This Flexi hose here is 50 feet long. So I was actually in need of another one of these. So this came in handy and it came right on time. So the next item that I have here is the Refridge Reminder. And it comes with a 17 by 11 magnetic whiteboard, 4 premium dry erasers, and 1 extra dry erase. So as you can see, these are the products that are inside. And of course, it's a refrigerator reminder. So you put it up there and you write down some important tasks or to-dos that you have. And I love stuff like this. I don't know if anybody else is like me, where if it's not written down or it's not in my notes in my phone, I will completely forget about it. So the next item from Try It Sampling is a spray mop. So this spray mop is from Vorfeud. I think that's the name of it, Vorfeud. And this is what it looks like. Let's see. It comes with this nice little handle, so it's easy to carry. But yeah, this little spray mop gives you the details and everything of how to use this. I'm excited. I can't wait to try this because I have some hardwood floors here as well. So this will make it a lot easier to keep those clean. So that is it for the things from Try It Sampling. Now the next item I have here is a Pinch Me box. You guys know I love Pinch Me. Of course, if you're not familiar, it is a product review company. You guys can find quite a few videos on my page that talk in detail about that company. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the items that I received. So what I received is 3 containers of Purina dog food, the Beneful line of food. And the first one here is the white beef and salmon, pumpkin, spinach, and sorghum. The next one I have is not white. The next one I have is lamb and trout, sweet potatoes, quinoa, and accents of blueberries. And the last one that I have here is the chicken and ocean fish, apples, kale, and accents of smellet. Okay, as you can clearly see, there's like holes all through this. This one is pretty much empty. So not only do dogs love this, the little kitten, our little kitten Shadow is in love with this as well. And he tore into it. So yeah, so the rest is for this diva over here who likes to sleep. And still share a little bit more with Shadow because Shadow likes the seafood that is inside of this dog food. So the next items that I have here are baby related. I'm gonna put these over here, make a little room. So the next one I have here is a Walmart baby welcome box. And you can receive one of these completely free if you sign up for a registry with Walmart. I'll have a description down below so you guys, if you're interested, You can sign up and get these special items for someone else or for yourself. So of course they have a little note here, the special delivery. And then inside, I'm going to show you guys the items that came. So the first one here is the Playtex baby bottle. This is Johnson's Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo. Here is a passy. Open this up. Okay, so here is this cute little pacifier. And what looks like, I'm going to assume, I don't know. These look like nursing pads that'll keep you, you know, when you're nursing, it'll keep you from having like leakage. And you can wear those inside of your bra. And these are, oh, that is so cute. Okay, and they also have these little individual plastic containers here that you can put in the breast milk that you have for your babies. And what is so cool about this is that it has the ounces and everything, and you just fill it out with the date and the time and everything, so that you can have these and you can store them at your house, or you can store them somewhere where your baby is being kept for you, and that way you'll always know if you have fresh milk available for your baby. And of course, you know, they always have like coupons and stuff in these different boxes. So this is $10 off your first. So this is $10 off of your first ebook or audiobook with Walmart. And the last thing that they have here is something that I'm a big fan of. I love Huggies wipes. And this is Huggies wipes. This is an 8 count of their natural care brand. And that is everything that is inside of this Walmart box. So, keeping in line with the baby stuff, I have a welcome kit here, and this is courtesy of the baby box. So if you are familiar with my previous videos, you'll know that I had one where I showed you literally a box that you use for your baby, for your newborn, and it helps to prevent them having sudden infant death syndrome, which is SIDS, and they feel like that is the safest way for your baby to sleep. Well, that same company also offers other things, and they offer this welcome kit that is from Michelin. And you get these by doing a series of maybe questionnaires, or you watch videos all the way through to the end, usually about maybe 5 to 10 videos. And at the end, they get your information and they send this stuff out quickly. It comes really fast. You don't have to wait weeks, you don't have to wait weeks and weeks to receive stuff. So this is the welcome kit from Michelin, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. But this is cute. This is the little Michelin doll. So this is a little plush doll for your baby. And my teenager has already said she wants this. Yes, my teenager wants the Michelin plush. So this little flyer here tells you about car safety. Okay, this gives you more information about like tires and car safety, and like how to properly put your child in there, and basically breaking down everything that you have inside of this packet. This right here just shows you how your child should sit in their car seat at their different stages. So you see one is 4 months, the other is 48 months. So that's something that'll be helpful to someone. This is a coupon for 20% off of a car seat. This is save $1.50 on a Nook Everlast cup. Seriously, and this is not sponsored. Nook, hands down, has the best baby products ever. Seriously. I have been trusting them since I had my daughter almost 15 years ago. So this one here, you'll get a $100 gift card after you purchase 4 tires with Michelin. They will send you back that $100 gift card for making that purchase. That's pretty good. And this here is a pocket key ring with a digital tire pressure gauge. Every person needs this in their vehicle. Coin here that you can use to check the tire tread on your vehicle. So that is everything from the baby box and Michelin. So the next item I have here, I always get these freebies here from Breathe Right because these work really, really well. And these are the nasal strips. So you get 2 of these in a packet. And like I said, this is one of those freebies that comes around often. So if you miss a chance, trust me, you'll have another chance to get you some more. I redeemed a coupon that I had for Deer Park. I talked about in a previous video. And I have some of their lemon flavored sparkling water. And this is the 8-pack. I redeemed mine from Publix. So if you have a Publix and if you have the coupon available, then you guys know that you can definitely find those in that store in many different flavors. So the next thing I have here comes from the company Adra. And it's basically talking about keeping girls safe and spreading awareness on this. So in honor of that, they would like for you to post a picture on social media to support keeping girls safe. So you wear this pendant and you share another one with a friend, family member, or a child. And of course, it has that same little saying on the front of the pendant. The next item, I received these in the past and I did not request to receive any more in the future for this company. I think it's called Glock. But this is what happens sometimes. If you are into getting freebies and you sign up for something, sometimes you may not even realize it, but the next go round, they will still have your information and they will go ahead and send you out something. So you can't be getting something for free that you didn't even know was coming. So I'm going to show you guys what I got this time. I love this. I just recently broke mine, so I got a new one. This is a Glock keychain. They have an ink pen with the saying on it as well. You receive a badge that says confidence is what you carry. Glock Perfection. I received a pendant. I think this is nice. I like that. And the last thing I received is a sticker. And last but certainly not least, you guys know I always have more than enough magazines to show you. So here are the ones that I received. I have Sports Illustrated, 2 of the same issues of People, In Style, Watch, Shape, Time, Essence, Sports Illustrated Kids, Entertainment Weekly, and People. I know this video was really long, but like I said, sometimes if I take a little bit of a break, these things pile up. So I'm so glad to go ahead and get these things out, let you guys see what I have. Like I said before, always appreciative of everything I receive, whether big or small. Anything that I don't need, I give away. Anything that I do need, trust me, I use it every day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.